Alright, okay. In this video I'm going to show you how to smoke connector on D Mirage without being seen, and to land it just here. So you can safely cross short without being scoped off from A site or to perhaps take control of mid. Right, so first of all, where do we need to go? Now, some people have probably seen the one where you come here and throw it and smoke it like that, but I don't like that one. Too difficult. Doesn't always land. So, come to this part. Obviously, if you're on your own, it's a good smoke for a lurker to throw this one. So, we want to be standing about here. So you'll notice that there's a slight drop. You go up until you land on the drop, then you want to be aiming for this antenna aerial there, slightly over, and then it's just a case of throwing and lands on the 5th step and completely smokes off CT. Can't see a thing, can't see a thing. They could maybe just get a glimpse of you there, but if you hug that point, but it was faded then. So there you go, how to smoke mid connector on D Mirage, 5th step.